YouTube channel. How are you? Hope all you are well. Today I have brought another new video. Now I'm going to show you how to make a satin ribbon flower. Before go to the video, I have to say you something. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my new uploads near you. Well, then without further ado, let's go to the video. Let's see what you need to do to make a ribbon flower. We need an inch wide satin ribbon. Pick a color you like. Beads are needed to beautify. I use this for the middle part of the flower. You can use a medium like felt fabric. Need a fabric glue. In addition, a scissor and a ruler are required. Okay, first we need cut the ribbon into pieces 6 cm long. To prepare the flower petals need to be cut like this. Then cut the end of the ribbon at angle like this. Using a lighter, burn cut part and tie it by hand. Okay, then fold it on both sides so that the other end is in the middle and burn it too. Here are the flower petals I made that way. Then you need to wrap the petals around this circle. I use this felt glue for this. It takes a while to dry. So if you don't have time to dry, you will survive. Then the middle circle should be glued between the two slices in this way. This is one I made up like that. Then you can decorate with these beads. Stick around. Here's one I stuck beads around like that. You can stick these beads in the middle too. Even large beads like this can be glued. You can even make a flower like this and offer it to a temple.